Hey guys, Emeka, welcome back to the channel. It's been almost a year since I last posted. I'll make sure I'll post regularly from now onwards. So what's new? So not much has changed other than relocating and changing job. I've recently upgraded to a full-frame Sony a7R II. One thing led to another. Decided I will get a gimbal. I had to choose between DJI and Zion. So today's video is about a quick unboxing video of DJI Ronin SC, along with some test footage. Thanks to my lovely son for being my model in the video. I'm not going to bore you guys with an in-depth tech stuff. There's already a number of videos that has covered this stuff in much more detail than I would ever do, guys, trust me. So if you're here for the in-depth techie stuff, then yeah, all I can say is it's your last chance, guys, to hit that back button.
A few moments later.
Right, so you're still there. Let's roll the intro then. The gimbal comes in a nice carrying case. It's lightweight and it looks great. First impressions, the gimbal build quality is fantastic compared to Zion's gimbals I have ever used. Comes with all necessary cables, cables to connect your camera to the gimbal, cables to charge your gimbal. Even the manual is packed very well. Comes with an attachment for your mobile phone, an attachment to support a longer lens, an attachment to increase the height of the camera so the lens does not hit the gimbal when you actually pan from top to bottom. What else? The battery life is great. 7+ hours is more than enough for me. I usually don't shoot anything that long. Last but not least, it's very easy to balance the gimbal.